Alright guys, this is just a quick video of the Grom Vline2 for the Lexus LS430. Here it is. You can play YouTube videos on this thing once you've downloaded it, or if you've got a hotspot from your phone, just connect it to the hotspot and then you can surf the web. You can even play games on this thing. Whatever you can do on Android tablets, you can do on this thing, because really it's just an Android unit. So what I did was, the Vline2 is just a piggyback unit that attaches to the back of this thing. I routed the hardware to the glove box. So what you have to do is, connect everything in the back of this thing, and then drill a hole in the glove box, make it nice and pretty. I've attached the unit right here using strong double-sided mounting tape. And I routed the USBs back here, the back, in here, back, down there. So I can connect my phone either through wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, or wired Android Auto, or wired Apple CarPlay, and it charges it. No, just connected it here, instead of running the cables in the glove box and cable hanging down there. I also usually have a keyboard here with a touchpad, so I can control this thing easily. Sound quality is pretty good, probably the best option right now as far as wireless streaming for the LS430. But the only downside of this thing is that it's expensive. As far as installation goes, see, you can download a bunch of videos in this thing. I've got a 512 gigabyte micro SD card on this thing, and you can download a bunch of shit on it. Sound quality is pretty good, and like I said, you can just hotspot it. It's got a bunch of functions on it. I'm not gonna go through it. You can download Google Maps and other stuff on it. So pretty fancy stuff. Quite an upgrade from the stock unit. All the functions still work, not like those Chinese Android pieces of shit, the ones that go for $250 to $600. Those are a piece of craps. The display might be better, but as far as functionality goes, it's a hit or miss. Don't believe me? Go to clublexus.com or go to the Facebook LS430 forums. Bunch of issues over there. Other than that, I don't have any issues with it. The only downside is you've got to be good as far as installation goes, or you pay someone to do it. You have to know what you're doing. The unit itself, the Vline2, cost over $600. So that's one major downside. If you want to spend $600 on this old car, go ahead. For me, it's worth it just for the Android Auto and the Bluetooth music. So yeah, that's it. Here it is again. I took off the ashtray. This is from Amazon. USB wired directly to the unit. All wires stuck behind this thing, going into the glove box. Alright guys.